Hello everybody, welcome to Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I'm here with a fun life craft tonight for y'all. So tonight's craft is going to be, I'm going to be using this little bunny from, she's really cute too, just the way she is, from Dollar Tree. And, but we're going to give her a makeover. And if she turns out as cute as the idea in my head, she's going to be really, really cute. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm laying her on a piece of burlap, and I'm just going to cut my burlap about where I need it. The burlap is going to be her skirt. Okay. So see how it fits over her skirt. So I'm just going to glue this on to the back side of her. There we go. So I'm going to do that on both sides. Just put some glue, whoops, on there, and then just press your burlap down onto it. So then this is what you have. So I'm going to trim the bottom because of course it doesn't need to be that long. And then I'm going to go back and glue it the rest of the way down the back. So see, it's all glued down. And I'm going to do that on both sides. It's just amazing to me how you can take something, you know, that only costs $1 and make something so cute out of it. I just love doing that. Okay, and then so I've got both of those sides glued down on the back like that. And then I'm just going to cut along the bottom to trim my excess burlap. So that's what you have now. And yes, I know you can still see through that, and it's fine. So, because we're not done. The next thing I'm going to do for her skirt is I have a piece of lace, and y'all, it still had the tag on it from where I bought it at Goodwill or somewhere like that, and I paid $3.93 for this, and I've used it a bunch. But I'm gonna use, I mean, it was a big piece, so y'all always be on the lookout for stuff like this, like when you go thrifting and stuff, because you can use it for so many projects. And I'm gonna put this on top of the burlap. So let me move the burlap out of the way. And get this laid up here on the table so I can measure it. So it has been cold here in Georgia. Thank goodness we didn't get all that ice and snow though, like everywhere else was getting. I am thankful for that, but this cold needs to go away. The sun did finally come out today though. And I was happy to see the sun because it seems like it's been forever. Right, all right. So, maybe I'll turn it that way. Yeah, I think I like it better this way. All right, so I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do, because I want it to be kind of pleated a little bit, is I'm gonna glue it, just starting with the, well, let's see. I'm trying to decide how I'm gonna do this, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over and glue this down just like I did the burlap, on top of the burlap. I worked today and then came home, and now I'm crafting, so my day's been pretty good. Any time that you get to craft, it's a good day. Or do, you know, something that you enjoy doing. I love to craft, so. Alright, so I'm gonna just kind of pleat it just a little bit at the top. So it kind of has like a little ruffled look. And so then just, you know, pleat it and then do your little dot of glue. See, like that. Can y'all see how I've got it? And then a little dot of glue. And then just do that all the way across. All right. So now, and then I just glued the other side down. So you see, you have your burlap and your lace glued to the back. And then I'm just, going to trim the skirt down here at the bottom, along the bottom. Y'all can see. Trim this right here. Okay. Trim it just a little bit more. Out there. Okay. See how that looks? And then I'm going to put some ribbon across the top of her little skirt to give it a waistband. Let me see. I think I'll use this. But anyway, this is going to be the waistband of her skirt. It's just this ribbon. And so I'm just going to put a bead of glue up top and lay it across there. It's that simple. So let me just do this real quick. I just put a bead of glue across the top, and now I'm laying the ribbon across. Y'all, is that not darling? Isn't that cute? That's her little skirt. Let me cut all this off. And then, of course, she has to have something in her hair. So I think I'm going to go with, I have this trim that I get at Hobby Lobby. It's really pretty. It's $4.99 for 2 yards of it, but I always get it when they put the ribbon on sale or the trim on sale. So I'm going to use one of these in her for her hair bow, I think. And you could just, you know, on this you just cut the little flowers apart. They look like little rosettes. I'm just trimming around this because you get that mesh part around it. We don't need all that. We just need the flower. Okay. So, let me stick this right here. I'm just going to put, whoops, that's yucky. Put some glue right here. See? And then I'm going to take one of these pearls. I get packs of them at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on it. If you can see that. And then I just stuck that little pearl in the center. Isn't that cute? Let me... And then I think I want to... No, I think I'm just going to leave her like she is. No, I'm going to put a little hang tag on her, I think. I'm going to give her a hang tag. Yeah, she came from the Dollar Tree, Rayanne. And I just added the burlap and lace and ribbon for a skirt. And then the little bow to her hair. And now I'm going to do a name tag. Or hang tag, I should say. But we're going to give her a name. Let's see, what are we going to name her? I think I'm going to go with Priscilla. She looks like a Priscilla. 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 All right. And I'm going to take this tag off of here. And then I'm just going to glue her name tag where it's going to the side. I just stuck some glue under there. If you can, well, just trying to lift the whole thing up, sorry. I should have, ooh, I just stuck my finger right in that hot glue. And then I think I might take a little bit of this gel stain from, it's walnut gel stain from Hobby Lobby. It's the Americana brand. And grunge her up just a little bit. You don't want to use too much because you just don't. I don't know what I was going to say, but so this is what she looks like now, and I'm just going to grunge her up a little bit. Just around the edges. I mean, she kind of was already when I bought her, but not enough. So I'm just going to give her a little more grunge. Because y'all know I like things grungy. All right. Okay. So there she is, y'all. Isn't she sweet?